How to turn on or turn off status bar on Twitch stream. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off status bar, easy and fast. So first thing, go to Twitch and then go to the top corner right here and go to settings right here, and now you need to choose the stream manager option right here. And now, as you can see here you will find many options, but the first option is what you are searching for, the status bar. You can enable it or disable it from here as you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.